Each of the 45 books on a shelf is either written in English or in Spanish, and each of the book is either a hardcover book or a paperback book. So now we know that on the y-axis we can write English and Spanish, the books written in English, books written in Spanish, and then these two have to be divided into two other categories, the hardcover books and the paperback books. Each of the 45 books, that means we have total 45 books. And now if a book is to be selected at random from the books on the shelf, is the probability less than 1 by 2 that the book selected will be a paperback written in Spanish? Paperback written in Spanish. Let's suppose that paperback books written in Spanish are X. So the question is asking the probability of a book to be this one is X over 45, and the question is this probability less than 1 by 2? That means the question is simply asking, is X less than 22.5 or not? So we have to give the answer of this question in the form of either yes or no. Now we have to use the two statements, but in order to look at the statements, I would like to just copy this grid because this grid is going to be used for both other statements. So here we have the grid for statement 1, here we have grid for the statement 2. Now let's look at statement 1 at first. So statement 1 says that of the book on the shelf, 30 are paperback. So we have 30 books here, which means 45 minus 30, we have 15 books here. But can we find out any number for X, whether it's less than 22.5 or not? The answer is no, and therefore we say that the first statement alone is not sufficient, and therefore option A and option D are ruled out. Now we go to the second statement. The second statement says that of the books on a shelf, 15 are written in Spanish. So the total books written is in Spanish is 15. That means the total books written in English would be 45 minus 15, that is 30. Now the question is asking for this value of X. Let's understand that X plus Y is equal to 15, where X and Y, none of them can be negative. This simply means that X must be less than or equal to 15. It cannot exceed 15, which means the answer to this question is definitely going to be yes, because it's going to be less than 22.5, and therefore we say that the second statement alone is sufficient to answer the question, giving us the correct answer of the question as option B. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.